Here's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene. This C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. It comes with great features you'll love. Streaming audio, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, power convertible roof, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, external memory control, power tilting steering column, automatic suspension management, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Car and Driver remarks, consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes-Benz knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,